So here is our question related to the module. We need to create an associative hatch in a rectangle of length 10 and width 5 unit with these properties. The pattern should be NC31. The origin of that pattern should be lower left vertex of the rectangle, and the scale should be any scale which is clearly visible, and the scale in which the lines of the hatch pattern are clearly visible. So here we have the drawing. Let's start with the rectangle tool. So I'll click on rectangle and click at a point. Now I'll type at and a length of 10 and a width of 5 unit and press enter. So there we have it. Now we need to add the pattern here. So for that I'll go to this hatch tool and make sure this NC31 is selected. Also we need to ensure that this associative option is checked. So with these two options, click inside this area, and here we have it. The hatch is quite clearly visible, but if it is not visible in your case, you can go to this scale and change it. In this case I'll change it to 2 and press enter. There we have it. Now it's widely spaced, and now we need to change only one property here. We need to change the origin. So in this case the origin should be lower left, which is this point. So let's zoom into this area. So here you can clearly see that the origin is not clearly specified and the line is starting from somewhere on this horizontal line. So we need to ensure that this line should start from this vertex. For that I'll click on set origin and click on this vertex. There we have it. Now it's starting from the required point. Now let's zoom out, and there we have it, the final hatch pattern. So let's now click on close hatch creation, and there we have it, the drawing as per the requirement.